Alexa, start the microwave. Okay. Alexa, defrost the meat.
For how long?
6 minutes.
No problem.
Bring a new level of multifunctionality to your kitchen with the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave Air Fryer Oven. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave Air Fryer Oven has a custom engineered heater and fan designed for precision cooking. This versatile 0.6 cubic feet unit allows you to microwave, air fry, and convection bake with functions and presets that take the guesswork out of cooking. With 1,500 watts of power, the air frying function uses significantly less oil to bring optimal nutrition and superior flavor to your favorite foods. The presets are programmed for time, temperature, and fresh or frozen foods. Use the basket to air fry up to 2 pounds of chicken wings using the wing preset button. Then air fry some side dishes using the fry or snacks presets. And a stainless steel interior that does not absorb odors and is easy to clean. Simply wipe down the interior and exterior of the unit with a damp cloth after use. Air fry, roast, bake, and reheat with the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Air Fryer Microwave Oven.